Ready?
Okay. It's Easter. What is it? What'd you get, Bug? What'd you get, Corky? What is it? What is it?
Help her. Help her.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
Help her. Hey, help her.
Get it open, Piper. Get it open. Get it open, Bug. Get it.
Come on, Bug.
Get it. Get it, Bug. What's in there, Piper?
Oh.
Oh, what'd you get? What'd you get? Did you get a muddy puppy? Did you get a muddy puppy bar? What is that?
Next one.
Yeah. What is in there, Bug? What is it? Get it open. Get it open. Open your present. Open your present. Oh, what'd you get?
Good.
What'd you get? Turn it over. Turn it over. What'd you get? Oops. Ooh, yum. Look at Piper. I'll just get one out of there. Get it. Go ahead. Get your treat, Pipe. Get it open. Get it open. Get it open. There you go. Look at her. Look at her. Yep. There she goes. You better get one, Bug. Don't be shy. Your sister, except your sister's gonna eat the paper. There you go. There's your little birdie treat. Yum. There she goes.